After breaking my rod on the first fish and then not having small enough gear for the little fish during the day, it was a long time between bites.
Biter!
That's 3.
Whoa, okay, got a fish on. It's been a long time, but we got him. You're over me? Oh, I think he came off.
This was a huge fish. Maybe a personal best for me, but I guess we'll never know.
Oh, he came off. Dang. All right. Well, I had a bite. Had him on.
Go back and get him again.
I'm dropping back down. We're gonna get him. Fresh one on in the back corner. We're dropping down. Going down a couple 100 feet. I had my bite.
Coming through fast. You lose yours?
Yeah.
Come down, you guys. Come down.
We're coming.
Look at the size of this one. It's a nicer fish. Oh yeah.
Over. Go.
Holy.
Look at the size of that one. That's a good looking fish.
Oh my God.
Another nice one. Look at the size of that guy. There. Is that one yours, Peter? Good job, buddy. Nice job, Peter. Another one on right next to me here.
If you guys just caught a fish here at this stop, go back to the kill box there and get with the guys. We want to make sure your fish got tagged properly. If you just caught a fish at this stop right now, go back to the kill box, make sure your fish got tagged properly.
Did you get one here?
Yeah,
I got hooked up, but he came off.
it was a lot bigger model than my others. I'm stoked.
Look at the size of these guys. Lot bigger fish than we were catching earlier.
Hey, bro. Thank you. You guys doing it in Mexico all the time. We got all this rail space to move on down. There was ever time. No angle, no tangle.
This fish is huge, and I'm going to show you a lot of the fight, but I had to cut a lot out because people were everywhere since this was the only person with a rod in the water.
You're doing good. It's the last fish of the day.
Crank.
You're doing good.
Got it, dude. He's coming.
Keep going.
Coming towards you. Okay. Keep cranking, don't bump. Crank. Keep cranking. Keep cranking.
Keep going.
You can. There you go.
I don't know.
Come on. You get. Keep going.
Crank.
Hit his stinging so it's easy for him. Actually, his second, he got one that we made. Oh, we did? Yeah, that was his first one he said. Thomas, let me show you something. Good. Power hand.
Come this way.
Stay in front of it, Josh.
Off the rail.
Right.
Off the rail. Come on.
You better hurry, you got about 5 minutes.
This is the point in the fight where the mate Chris took over for the fisherman, as the fish had already been on 15-20 minutes. It is a great fight.
It's coming back this way.
Yep.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Slow down. We'll make it.
Thing felt like a freaking whale.
Yeah. 800 pounds.
I'm alright. Just trying to help you, bro.
You seen it yet, Kevin?
What's that?
See it?
Not yet.
Oh, it's a nice fish. Yep.
Oh,
It's a jumbo. At least it looks like it in this light.
Here he comes. Oh, that's you.
oh my
Get another
God.
gap here, Tyler.
Two gap.
Two gap. Two gap.
Two gap.
We need another gap.
Well, he's going to pump.
Out of my way. Out of the
Yeah.
way.
That's how you fucking kill a big one.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Good jump there.
Let's go,
YouTube guys. Let's go. Oh my God.
It just keeps on getting better.
Oh my God.
Look at the.
Got that whole thing on video.
Sorry.
Look at the gap look too.
Yeah, oh my God. Oh my What?
Oh, I told you, he's just like, he's forcing it.
Bro, that is a sea monster.
Dude.
How fast I kill that?
Dude.
Look at.
Oh my God. What is that?
Oh, the tail. Careful, careful. I gotta get the fucking tail. Kick my ankle. Take that side. Alright, take this picture and go.
Hey, he's still got to bleed him. Don't fuck with him too much.
Look at me. Smile, man.
Smile, happy.
That thing is huge.
I like how he left the jig in his mouth too.
Look at the size of that fish. Takes 4 men and a boy to put him into the fish box, and he doesn't quite fit. Nice. There he goes.
Oh, his little basket. Fishies.
Just leave it, Chris. We're gonna take it out in a little bit anyways.
Look at the size of that guy. Wow. All right, people. Those are all fillets in the blue bag. Here's some of the fish that's being processed. We had a phenomenal trip on the T-Bird out of Point Loma sport fishing here in San Diego. What a great trip that was. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.
Big one.
I got a 4.
And you only got one. So you're missing a fish.
Yeah.
How much was that?
All right, there we go.